Welcome to the future, where chalkboards are ancient relics, textbooks are on life support, and the most exciting thing in the classroom is no longer recess. Today, we're diving into the technological wonderland that's transforming education faster than you can say back in my day. The classroom of tomorrow is here, and it's packing some serious tech. Tablets, the new textbooks. First up, tablets. No, not the stone kind Moses had, but the sleek, shiny ones that make textbooks look like fossils. Tablets are a game changer in education. They're portable, interactive, and loaded with apps that make learning more engaging than a cat video marathon. Imagine this. Instead of lugging around a backpack heavy enough to double as gym equipment, students carry a lightweight tablet that has all their textbooks, notes, and even the odd game of Candy Crush, for educational purposes, of course. Tablets also cater to different learning styles. Visual learners can watch videos and look at diagrams. Auditory learners can listen to lectures, and kinesthetic learners can interact with touchscreen activities. It's like having a personal tutor who's always ready to help and doesn't get annoyed when you ask too many questions. Interactive whiteboards, the magical chalkboards. Remember those squeaky chalkboards that seem to always have more chalk dust than actual chalk? Say goodbye to them and say hello to interactive whiteboards. These high-tech boards are like giant tablets mounted on the wall. Teachers can write on them, show videos, display interactive lessons, and even connect to the internet. It's like Hogwarts, but for math and science. Interactive whiteboards make lessons dynamic. Instead of a teacher droning on while students zone out, the board can display animations, quizzes, and games. It turns passive learning into an active experience, making students more engaged and less likely to dream about their next snack break. Online resources, the infinite library. Gone are the days when researching for a school project meant spending hours in the library thumbing through dusty encyclopedias. Today, students have access to a virtually infinite library of online resources. Websites like Khan Academy, Coursera, and even YouTube offer free courses on everything from algebra to zoology. Students can learn at their own pace, revisit difficult topics, and even explore subjects not covered in the traditional curriculum. And let's not forget the power of Google. Need to know who won the Battle of Hastings? Want to learn how to solve quadratic equations? Just Google it. The only downside is that students might end up on a Wikipedia binge, learning about topics they never intended to. Did you know that honey never spoils? Now you do. Virtual reality, learning in 3D. Why read about the Great Wall of China when you can walk on it? Virtual reality is the newest kid on the educational tech block. VR allows students to immerse themselves in different environments, providing a hands-on learning experience that's hard to beat. History lessons can turn into virtual field trips. Biology classes can become journeys inside the human body, and geography lessons can take students to the Amazon rainforest without leaving the classroom. VR makes learning an adventure. It's the kind of immersive experience that makes students excited to learn, and it helps them retain information better. Plus, it's a great way to travel without needing a passport or worrying about travel insurance. The bottom line: technology is transforming education in ways that make us wish we could go back to school. Tablets, interactive whiteboards, online resources, and virtual reality are just a few of the tools that are making learning more dynamic, engaging, and fun. The classroom of tomorrow is here today, and it's more exciting than ever. Stay safe, stay secure, and next time you see a kid with a tablet, remember, they're not just playing games. They might be solving math problems, reading about ancient civilizations, or taking a virtual tour of the solar system. And you have to admit, that's pretty cool. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye, and thanks for watching and listening.